Hello guys, welcome to my channel Traveler Tech. Here is the video about a scanner which I recently purchased from Epson. This scanner is basically to scan all your transparencies, negative, positives, 35 positives of all sizes we can scan and convert into digital. You know, this is very nice scanner. Let me remove the plastic bag, and here is the spare plugs. I have to see where it fits. I have no idea what is this. Let's see. So here is the manual guide. This has various settings in each negatives, positives, how many DPI you need to scan, and color correction. In this chart, it shows a full instruct. In this chart, shows step by step how to install, how to set up your scanner step by step. This is very nice. Here is my scanner. Let me remove all this safety tapes. Uh, so here, so this is the scanner. Power cord. Let me plug it. Let me check. Switch it on. Okay, and the power supply to the scanner. Let me switch it on. Yes, it's on. uh, where is the power button? Yeah, here. Okay, switch it on. Wow, it's really nice. Wow, this is really nice. Bright light, very nice, very nice. And here are the accessories, trays, to scan all your 35 or 4 by 5 inches transparencies. Uh, this is very nice. This scanner comes with all the sizes. Earlier it used to be 35 transparencies and 4 inches by 6 inches transparencies. This has everything you can be scanned, and this tray has to sit precisely into that hole. Let me put it together. I'm very sorry, I'm using only single hand. I'm very sorry. Okay, okay, I think this is good. Okay, yeah, yeah. Which it has all the sizes, transparencies, uh, 6 by 20 centimeters into 2 frames, medium format, and 4 inches by 5 into 2 frames. Also 8 by 10 inches transparency with film area guide. In this video, I'll show you only how to set up the scanner. In the next half, I'll show you how to scan uh, with all the various sizes. Thank you guys. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and give me thumbs up if you like it. Thank you.